Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group over at CB&A Realtors. If you're looking for the best in country living, but don't want to give up the convenience of location, I've got the perfect house for you. Situated on 4 acres, you've got a magnificent property that includes a main house and a guest suite. You've got a circular drive, fully gated with a front entrance gate. You've got 5 total bedrooms, 4.5 total baths, and over 3,500 square feet with no HOA. The main house features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Your primary bedroom is down with a huge game room upstairs. The guest house features a perfect space for mother-in-law suite, older children, any family member, quite frankly, even a work from home business or even an Airbnb with potential rental income possibilities. Living on 4 acres allows possibilities for all of your animals. Plus you even have 2 stalls, which is perfect for horses. This home is minutes away from the Woodlands, and if you enjoy fishing or boating, you're only miles away from Lake Conroe. For any questions or to schedule your private tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.